Hi Monica, so we're right back here in the class notebook and I'm going to let Mark take over. Here we go.
All right, so Monica, if you want to create a new notebook and move content rather than going through the process of deleting all your students, or in addition to it, you've got to be in the client version on your desktop. So on your Windows 10 device, you've got two types of OneNote. You've got the desktop app 2016, but then you've also got the Windows 10 OneNote app. We don't want to use this one. We want to use the one that says 2016. So here I'm in my class notebook sample, and I want to get some content in this notebook. So I'm going to go to the notebook that has the content I want, and I'm going to move a whole section at a time. I can move a whole page if I want to, but it's easier to move the whole section if you want all of the pages. You're going to right click, we're going to select move or copy, and then we get this drop down with all of our notebooks that we've opened in this client version. If you only have one here, we have to go through a different process. We're going to open our notebook online. We're going to click open in OneNote, that way it registers. So we're going to click open here. If that doesn't make sense, we're going to go to our OneDrive. We're going to find our notebook. We're going to open it up online. And then we're going to click open in OneNote, and you're going to click the 2016 version. So that way that notebook is recognized in the client version. Okay, so you're going to open it that way. Right now, I have it recognized. So once you open it in the client, it's going to recognize. And again, we're going to move the section we want. So I'm going to click on section ABC, and I'm going to click, or excuse me, I already right-clicked on this section, so I'm going to move it to the notebook I want, and then I can pick the location I want. So let's say I want it in the content library. I click move. You'll notice up here in the top left that I'm now in the content library of where I want it. If I back out, I'm in my class sample notebook. We're going to do that one more time so you see how this works. Go to the original notebook with the content. I'm going to right-click on section XYZ. Notice here the name of this notebook is sample. So right-click on section XYZ. We're going to click move. And I'm going to go to where I want it. I'm going to go to the class notebook that I want. I'm going to click on content library. Cap's going to go up here to the top left. Watch the name change. I'm going to click move in the middle, and you're going to see that name change.
Whoa!
Now I have section XYZ and section ABC in the notebook that I want it. The name again changed. And that's that.
All right, thanks. Let us know if this works for you. There's a couple of videos. Mark's great. We pretty much think we can do anything you want. Here you go.